have reset password button. So generally, if you go to the user account screen, here we have the option to reset the password. As admins, I told you just 5 minutes before, reset password. The same option of resetting the password will also be available here, team. Okay, okay. From here, same button, reset password, either from there or from here, even reset MFA. These two options within the details screen also we have, from here also we have. So if admin want to reset the password, automatic, manual, they have here, team. They're same what we discussed 2 minutes back. Then delete. So if you have wrongly created any account to the user, you want to permanently delete that account, you can delete that account here, team. Permanently the record will be cleared off. Even from the backend database, you won't see that account details, anything. Then compare user. What is this? This is just for information purpose only. If you want to compare any two users in the system based on the roles, what they have, what functionalities in the front end they have access commonly and individually. If you want to compare, you can go here, team. Click on compare user. On the first user side, Pramod is there. I want to compare Pramod with any other user existing in the system. Now let me search. I have one employee by name Curtis Fietti. I am searching with that user. Select. Okay. Now I want to compare Pramod with Curtis. When I click on compare, all the functionalities based upon the roles what assigned to both of them, you can able to check out, team. So when I click on compare, the artifacts will open up here. It will take some time because we have added many roles to promote, and even for Curtis also we have too many roles in the system. So system will take some time to reflect the results here. So here you can see, team, in Pramod what functionalities he have access, in Curtis what he have, then common between both, commonly what access they have. So this one even you can also explore when you are practicing, team. So it's taking more time. Just you can take it up. This is just for information purpose only. So all the front end functionalities will display here. All the features and functionalities. So here green color tick box, red color icon will come. Green color tick box means employee having access to those functionalities in the front end. Red color means the user not having the access to them in the front end with the roles what he is having. So because every batch I face this, compare user screen is very slow. Lot of background work system have to do. Now let me reset the password, sorry, refresh the screen. The same compare user option we have directly in the user account screen also, team. So just let me go back to the screen and come in again. Okay, so let me go to tool security console, users. Okay, then promote the dot TrioTech. Okay, then team here. The same button compare user we have here also. So directly you can come to compare user, search the first user, second user and compare button. From here also you can able to achieve that, team. Then what we have here, copy user. What do you mean by copy user feature here, team? See, currently for this guy Pramod, these are the roles currently tagged in the system. How many roles we attach it to Pramod? Almost like 10-15 roles we attach it to Pramod yesterday. like application implementation, admin, consultant, manager, compensation, all the roles we attach it to our user Pramod. Now I want to create one more account in the system. Let's say I want to create an account by name Mr. Srinivas. Whatever the roles I attach it to Pramod, almost same roles I want to attach to Srinivas also. See, because we all require common roles in the system team, full control of the application. Now, what is my requirement here? Whatever the roles I attach it to Pramod, all the roles I want to create one more account and I want to assign to that. So rather than going to add user account, okay, then create the user here and adding the role one by one, simply you can refer any existing user in the system. Now my requirement is what? Whatever the roles Pramod have, same roles I want for the new account which I am creating in the system. Now refer that account. Now I came to Pramod account, actions button, copy user. When I click on copy user, system will redirect to me for this add user account screen. But all the roles from Pramod will automatically copy on that screen. See, copy user I went. Copy user I went. Now see what happens. I landed upon add user account screen here and see team, all the roles were coming up. Whatever that I assigned to Pramod, same got copied. Now quickly I can give. I want to create an account by name Srinivas Verma. Okay, some details I'm giving team. Okay. Then his phone number, username, then password, then save and close. See? Now, a lot of work have been reduced to me. Rather than going to add role searching one by one, just I given user information and I'm saving and close. See, copy user means that one team. Whatever the roles that Pramod have in the system, they all got copied here and we can easily create one more account in the system. Now, Srinivas Verma account will create with all the roles what Pramod having in the system team. So that is about copy user functionality in the system here. Okay, copy user. Now, some of you might get a question here. What is that? Kumar, here you have copy user, but can we copy the roles directly to the any account in the system? Now from this account, we went to another account screen and we are creating. Or let's say Kumar, already in the system, I have Pramod and I have some other account in the system. Let's say some person, John, something I'm searching. Some person account in the system, any account in the system, I'm searching team. So what you people might have a question here. Kumar, when you go to copy user, you are creating new user account. For them, okay. When you copy, the roles are copying. But my requirement is from one user account to another user account which is already there in the system. Can we copy that? Now see, I came to some John Small, something is there, some account is there team. Now my requirement is what you know. For this John Smoltz, currently these roles are there to his account. Now whatever the roles Pramod have, I want to copy to this guy. How I can do? Slight difference is there. Please observe. If I go to copy user feature here, what happening? From Pramod account, roles are copying and I landed upon new user account creation screen. So if you want to create a new user account, we have the copy functionality from one user, the roles you are copying. But my client requirement is what now? Already in the system, two accounts I have. Can we copy the roles from one account to another account? Right? Now Pramod account is already there in the system. Then I have one more person by name John. Whatever the roles Pramod having, I want to copy to this John. How I can do? I'll show you that also. Go to the user account of John here. Edit that user account. Okay. Edit that user account team. Then click on edit button. click on edit button. Then you come here, come to add role as it is. Then in the search filter, don't keep role, keep user and search the existing user from whom you want to copy. From pramod.triotech, I'm searching the existing user account team. Pramod.triotech. Let me search it. Now it came. See. Select and add role membership from user. If I click on it now, whatever Pramod having currently, all the roles will copy to John now. See, I'm clicking on add role. See, 15 roles were added to John. Click on OK. Done. Now see here. See, all the roles of Pramod came to John now. Now save and close. This is how we can play around with the user accounts in the system. Kumar, really this in-depth knowledge is required to us? Definitely. As an implementation consultant, having a product knowledge 100%, then you can play in the project team. Any question the client asks you, any requirement that client side people discussing with you, you can correlate that we have a feature in the system, you can achieve that. Okay, done. So these are the options we have within the user account details area. So in the actions button, whatever we have, we discuss a team.